It's a wonderful Saturday afternoon. Anytime we come on this show, we mash it up. So what we are next? It's Time Entertainment Review Show. This is your show. So let me welcome you once again to the Time Entertainment Review Show. Ene. Enchebia na yetena ase na ya share dwumadie no ase. But yenya ntena ase no de na chese ye gi ani anesa. Aha ya Time 105.3 FM. Ene ye wonsem bebre a ye bedi eho enkomo ewufia ha. Enti abadwafo no nso atena ase anesa. Refresh icon eba betena ase. Sanso na my cages enso ewo ho. Yenua Kwesi Spiders de bibinti ontimi embane. But then we will do our best to bring you the best of the show. Obroni Melissa. Mame fanchi akese pa Emma Abigail Sidofu ba na say enu eba Abigail ene eye wo birthday ema happy birthday pa Yakopon Asia no to nkwanem Lampard enso yansi ye chiachia no let me welcome you once again to the Time Entertainment Review Show. Emre aswan sase ye hye dwumadie no ase se de medi kankan no na mame fantu anim se ene ensema ye ba bedwendwen hu bi ene se ye wo empanyimfo bi wo movie industry no mu anase anyomtofo empanyimfo bi a oma beye bi eko na sankofo yi aseduru mre bi a ne ye yi ani ama omo kra me ka chese omo doso yie pa ye wo empanyimfo a chese omo pen so kra na mse na computer ne phone so yi bi mai enso no omo gina mu ato ene ene se ampanyifo eduduo ya wo be koda o ma setenam kura na ebi enye enu nti ene ye ba be di sa ankomo ne se ehu be hia se aban no be ye fotuo bi amasa ampanyifo yi ana se ehu be hia se ye chese ye be dwen wo mo ho we should locate a department in government for veteran actors and musicians. Ensem bi say na ye ba be dwen ho afen so beef wa aba industry dum last week na ye pese ye di hu nkomo but ye nyamre sa eni hu nkomo na obeti na we abonyum de didi we atem na we so abonyum de asoso na we akotu we blue na chese ensem se ngomo na ye ba be hwe sa nyema no ehun sunsuanso a ewo ye industry no emu na mame fantu anim so se dem di kaka veteran actors ne ho asem na ye nya ntie se ye nua be ma awachi se mo kai awachi chese onti ye kra na awachi ye ne onua ba wote ne nchen a o hwe no ye ne be kasa ene ewie nti wa wo pe awachi asem bia no na chese bompaye kese pa ma awachi. Wenum ne nsem bebre bi keka ho na ye bedi ho nkomo my cages atena se sem di kankan ye no ye ma me akokọ ntwiwa so atena se enum bi aba ye se papa no wo ye obehwe ene ye bedi ho nkomo kakra ensunsuanso ne nsem asa anum we akotwe aba ya be ma tiefo kwan so na omonso a kire omanhwe ensem hyewodo ensem ewuwi ase ye artist na omwo Ghana man mu ya nwomtofo no asesese obia pese oje Grammys ye behwe se enya susuansuo bi wo ye cultural values so said nka e wose nka ye portray sa ne me e wo ye nwumu no is it not looking at say as ye competing with the western world and that is actually fading our raw music just say ye high life na nkasa as ye more Kwame Eugene abaso ye pa Kwame Eugene and the rest of the guys are kidi no mu say omo revival high life no I'm say over the weekend you know painful be up on abaso say o deserve say your friend high life king mo fan chen na santi for ye are me no
and they high life
high life yen looking at the veteran actors said they na make an empty said nan saying what it bia ebinum condition enye kra me wo a list of some of them bibi obi ti say Emmanuel Ama meaning say etifo be kai Emmanuel Ama sankofo we aye bi pa industry in those days say na Santo nom ni Judas nom boa editri kakra ko na omo no so na mama akoko de o kai sankofo ipa gidi se obetimi abwa ye Nat Banini maame dokono Rama Brew the Brew family just bebre na ho kire omo ye pa ase omo mre na sika ni industry ni mu se de na sika abamu no ana secondly me hu ni se social media na nso boa enefo no eno nti obi she ba bi kra otimi etwa short video bi na eda internet na ede na trendy but nkofo we ya me bobo omudin ye hwe music ni mu kra na mpedu no je adofo empanyifo bebrebe ya ebi a mentimi kra mo bobo omudin that time omo time no na concert ye ko village to village
yikes
yikinom
kakaku
nom omo ko kurase nom na ko yes a program si chese na say je adofo kra kan say edrumre bi a na omo je board ye ne menkin as gate fee because nipa wo no kra nya sika emfenti ama but wanya aboka akodu they went through a lot of challenges and say advantage ewum echen kane no and what is your take on this issue looking at scenarios me de atuje
me hunu kakara me kai fi ana metin wa abofo ne concert ho yi case no mba ho
time I walk in na o kai date no
I can say mfia hankono apemba kwa hankono aduosia numunumu
1965
eba aduoson ni muno
1965 to 1970
opon ye chi obeye wa woni man biinum ye na me hu ne se nipa no wo no pe me ka me nua ba ko me chi ma mienu ne fre no osubuta wo mu ye bi wa henkro na me nua ya da no oba na wati kokonua no wodi ni kunu yi sa na ne mbra yi sa no woti ya sa obiri me kono na asere ba ho na wo mu ya ade ne se ya di ji ni pa ni
eye na day
so wa hu ti se tura bia ni aboa nipa na no nye sa mfonyiye yenko enwomoto anansesem ni ya de boa nipa na no de siesie nipa no mate bia bi ya nwomo kura ya to na hye nkuran enwoma ne ya to ne ka na ene wuti anwo ne bia ni munsem bia na awere ho kasaburo kasafin atendidi akuti apem ene de ekeka ho en Canadian no so no na ya de ahoden ye nyansa ne ye nimu de ene mutira ye monya mfiri obi hye ne dem anu abetimi eka gugro no aye anwum na anwum so aye eni tire ene eni dua enti no kwasem ni ene de ne de sikasam no adoso achen ahofama ne etu ho acha na wonka ne ni mu
na me bomodin ase me ne awachi lady na oti awachi enchen no akasa yeguso yenya na ye bekasa but for now there yensa any nyanka no but there yate ye ne say creative arts for change ke you say utie bi creative arts for change chese ekuo no ekuo bi a empanyifo akuku dampa chese omunim creative arts mu a they are well experienced in the industry and they know how omo boa senka omo be shepu industry na enyantie se na lady ya mpese me frani de to just almost send this ikama wacha. I don't know whether it was mistakenly 10 Ghana cedis mobile money, 10 Ghana cedis. And these people now may kind of home and pay for money more. Bandes money now come. I'm sure say Bandes menyanentie say Bandes are resigned from the post as at now. But even Bandes is party looking at this caliber of people as I said, Bandes no money now come one. 10 million in Yesika, I mean 1,000 cedis in Yesika more. Now I watch home fano, and this man has been sick for a while now. Well, now we're sending his car 10 Ghana cedis. I mean, this is so sad. And now me person who said, yeah, 100 Ghana may be a mistakenly Nippon sending a couple of 10. They are fine. It's missy. One with mention, but I don't know. Until now me person can clarify sadly, but you go so I sakama. So I want you to look at all these things. Who say? First of all, I want you to look at their conditions. Some of them are not doing good at all. Nat Banini, Emmanuel Ama, and Rama Brew, Nat Brew, no, Mame Dokunoka them saying, "Oh yeah, pa, Unica home." What I say? Anka creative arts industry, and I say ministry, no, betima creativity, and I said they shouldn't they look at the welfare of these people?
I mean, thanks, and
yeah, Pija voice no kaka.
If I say like one says, or share or more movies, no more Kumasiana, they have their name, Kumawood. And I'll call a strong so more speaking English more now. Also, more from Galilee.
Yeah,
I'm a person or more than and more attention called those, you know, legends and other veterans. Because government is between you and I. And I'll be soon to me for orange government, I say, or maybe be more, and I say visa. So sometimes I'm busy, I'm the same mission on the broad perspective. No matter, maybe I was sent on. And Tikuma wood, and I say, Bia, Muni baby, like a which you be one. You should try, say, I'm very resist, and I say, Bia.
But watch it, oh, Kuma. What is them so crowd? And I also ask wow.
No trouble, yeah. So, okay, but
I mean, or your munia.
But the time because or more than any attention, much as everyone said, guy, we were covered, what do you call it? I think not to grow from CPC or Minyandia America. I think, honestly, mission a condition here at the time I know started say, or I jumbo, yeah. What is another condition or bad, but once there's a book on him my G dinner and kitchen movies and community attention and I say, oh, dear Cosso. But Oshakuma would now basically move busy on commercial mode. And see, almost an movie beyond also almost try some baby. And I also ocean music side and some more music on them. Also, I was starting some funny beer or more discount for Toby Berton. Or more for Toby Berton. Send those things, those people, some quite more bit my wow.
Yeah.
And the person on that field and than the government. But yeah, the Minister of Tourism or Honor. They are who they are called, the echo. In do election, those people you never see them. I'm more buying to lamplight that. I say, but almost people voting now, more one some more car. Say creative art industry, say I'm a bar, may say I'm bar, may. But so many opposed no more actions, no more be different. Until I'm a percent, Miss Fred or more, I want to go see Miss Kuma Wood, or Galley would say, I have more money or artists, no, because if say, I watch a situation. Say government, one. There are some people who be advanced their cordon cancer beer. Crack right now and be a Mickey. Now what try to be a condom war. That's all better as a government to be a Minister of Tourism than one. Because those people for government and some you know how it is. As I say, you can never sit down and say be any government and member. Government is between you and I. In Tiana South one and Pessimist Center, but from now on, Sunday man is see because last month Yana a friend say, whom I know who you lose him or car baby. Utie ne first son and some man walk out to me and me now I check. Basic of some, you know, financial difficulties being want me to survive it because of how financial challenges. But if
and no so yeah greatest challenge financial difficulties. Banesa, I mean their source of income na koye one sided enti no onya movie ntwa onya sika
and then the bibia first in the sending now I think say come make it big time but then no me say youth know about them more chances because the boy on my actors so upon so acting no as our YouTube channel bia or then is some 30 seconds maybe 2 on my or some monetization mo onya sika but then no do one say what I say then social media be any baby enti eno no ye past na social media no to month me am build themselves with social media stuff no but now I be do levels social media one no omo ma be to social media na omo nya sika free mu more with that acting say kuma wuru na kofo me fa say agukura but living a lot of series on the TV and they been so on YouTube why gaining no what I say the person mo no mo dwene omo panifo no be pay we ni more than government. For me side person mo dwene
meti himself meti there o kana say you want omo as say omo yan can say omo peak na and I say omo enjoy from the industry no to look back to omo pay setters. You have a point.
And I o share so divert no music I say there say akọ the best akọ no bi na abule bi na abe pay we ya na enti those people no omo ye interview kra omo kana omo aso omo salute omo na there the ba say your words what I say you should reflect. And you don't have to be like say
Jamo Nana Mama Brown abaso say over the last weeks me o tu sa na mo ne pa o tu sa na mo say so okosa nat banini Emmanuel ama man ska kakra dollars kakra ma me dok no so on her birthday yeah but abaso pa say yakopon hia no and I think you have a very good point.
You see that my brand and the personality in the crown no I think say me mean to me salute no I say because she's more than what she say when me penase man kasa I say ne yamu ye na wa dwene afoforo ho wo say nkofo bi ne di kan sa na ono e de eba it is what no event say that depend on kwasa say me na man so tena say government a e bi kran ka I mean e bi anen kwa de be free ne sa it is omo nhwe na ma no so no mumunye na omo nkati some fund bi nto ono ma e bi asa come friends music dey omo so mo music na that dem say 60% of musicians ne join it. It automatically say say incentive you ban wa wunya wo de o share kakra na wo de yeah on daily basis. Then see omo ndwene omo veterans no more
cages. You heard this side of it. Say omo sitting mu no. Obi ti say yan fa ne say papa ya na nse wuye odi. Ene katawre no omo atete na omo ye akan drama nom ne concert party ana ba ku bi kura ka ho na em say sofodazi wo hu we say over that time na there are a lot of people are omo say omo release omo from trauma like problems are down for so asasa mpanyimfo ayi free omo so umu ni say e wasanka aban no anke bia you create a department bi our government we say nka creative arts ministry we nkomo department bi anke cater for sa nkofo yi because bit say Ramabriu American say Ramabriu say the condition nya kra am say wanya stroke for some years now we na meche awache enso na yi say na American nche bia mefre oba o te de nchen no ne ne nakasa so hu enti ensem bia ase film che say o hwe sa mpanyimfo ibra o mabọ me kaya kra spinters ne ba ko na net me bibi ntimi monitoring the condition na owo mu nyenya kra enso anyway do you think the government should come in and intervene
when you said there na mama kan ni ameka ya mama de to so no to say sabre mu ye industry so akwanya be no mu ni say aban ehwe wo mu ana say akwanya be no mu ntumi enko say aban de ye boa ye mani enti hweye omu ho but say ye papa mu a omo sha ase no ebia enye sa no ma no mu de sha ase enti say aban so obebam na say enye sa no ma na de sha ase na which means say aban no de ne pem ana o free say o ba behwe enti say ne pem no o free say o ba behwe na ne pani nya maya ebe den no behwe Miss Henry so enti me kan say ye papa no mo e de ye baaye no say sabre no ye omu wa ahunyehia mu na yɛhwɛ ne sɛ yɛhwɛ aban side aban mehwɛ wɔ mu a ebia ɔmu wɔ anamonto bi anaasɛ nhyehyɛ bi a ɔmo ne aban kɔɛ so enti sɛ nyɛ saa anamonto no a yɛn na yɛyɛ mma no a yɛwɔ ɔmo akyi no yɛn ne yɛho sɛ ɛsa sɛ ne yɛbapa mo atwa to hɔ ane yɛn so ɛsa no mu twa to hɔ no yɛaba a yɛdidi saa sa no enti I prefer and think say ɛno no mbom bɛyɛ best sɛ yɛbɛ reach to them dan sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ ebi aban mmra sɛ ɔba bɛhwɛ
nka yɛbɛ reach to them asin sɛ yɛn menew
asin that's all menew na yɛwɔ industry no ma yɛsɛ yɛdidi de ɔma yɛ ho I prefer sɛ nka no no mbom ɛbɛyɛ best dan sɛ yɛbɛka sɛ yɛtwɛn aban no wɔne menew a so
mama sana also
ya titi na kuakuo yesi bibi di kumawud bibi di akara hwan yesi hwan ya ditwo bo so me so ya ji bibi kakra edito so abai ba mu ankaye sa abai ba mu di a ene so di eje toto ho no yan fa kakra so ento abai e chance ana ne kura mu so ho so di be ye dwumadie bi a daati no mfa so bi e be ba ho ne kwasem ne eja so do wani ne wo hwire nyina be hye dwumadie bi mu se bi a obeye yi kire a kire nkorofo na be wi ase ye no papa we no yesi e de we kuri asusu adwuma no eye bo abanhwe na anu akovid de ba yi wo mu ka bibi se bibi de pressure onim se dadwene kwada na de pressure ba sasi ni yie wo hwa etumi ti o pressure
etimi chese etimi ti so kra
etimi
kra
etumi ti pressure so panti no hwe titimre no wodi ene opo no mu ye biribi sa black and white TV no hwe no yakoma da francho about time mienu bi court e wo wonu ma ho se wonu makon wo mu so wo je ntokwa no ana wo mu kon ya ya di asam na court no a ye di asam no ne fancy offense ha na bank ne ti o na nkwala na boye ho ano e gba ampe na kire ye se ehu hia se ye gina ye machi akon chese ntitie wom adesua wom ohun ndise bibi wo wona se tumi bua bibi ma bibi anojo entokwa anojo koda na adadwene anojo ema bibi dwodi a ane aban no se ye wa aban ne de ne se nyina e ka aban no ho a se tuwo bi wo aban e wo so wo de gia yenye so obeji na kuakuo no ho so obeji no ankura na won ma hihye emu no e ho no eno de aban ne tenase a na nkwadu nya sa so de ne ye me de me kan se enka kuakuo no etuo na edidididi ye no ya ye mfa bi nhwie nua no na odu hwie nyina ko hye we na nka ne so ya aka so ye kuewo ya oyi kira onya adwuma bi anka ho onya adwuma bi anka ho
eka sini twa na se concert
ye no a wo be ye no a so wo be
any source of income ya
so wo be bon me kai pa sa me ya akoda takora de we will fifa akokro Ramblers first from Broadways awia se obekọ ni yete ho na guitar yi na pepe ni yetwe ni ehwe bukum woni dwumadie bi aka saa de no
you know
say kuma we
for na wo industry say they won't
come yes sad na government in there or any best because I think say obe try say you build some theaters and other stuff say be ya obetima for you.
No, I think they need a fund and kasa
That
Tisenka, you was Senate fund a cater for civil servants. No, I think these people need a fund to say Senate their type of EB. I just say, Banka Ufemwa could do stage beer. At least they should be giving you an amount of money be and be a survival with it.
Say also government in the critical fund.
Say omo creative fund be fan say Kumawood omo guilty any members are omo look at musica members are omo gamro no money ade. If they are creating big class okay a deals form be another they are taking a percentage from omo deals are omo to cater for sadena. I mean it won't be bad at all.
We have a point there. But so we decided say omo do visa I'm not going to buy any man. Now buy now support it. What you say? I buy not one man responsibilities in the door soon. Sports for children, not half for children. What you say? But more gadana some Muslim baby visa now the continent man no I endorse it. Because of say or no the one man and the responsibility will be also. Even creative art and the music in there or more acting one. Fashion for can be a lot of things are involved. It's they be all my attention and I divided. But so who told them more be all the pushia. Then or more no more top one, no my endorse it. No man can never be saying now man I am be pay. So you don't sit there say oh chance government will be an as when you be say.
Anyway, me da say ma young comra. I see the basic ya me say say me re ho a me to nwum. Family no. Yo, atiefo say dey kan ye no. Brother so ama ya bie ahoma no atum na mo so ma kire madwen. Afa topica ye discuss ho. Mama mo nka ye say Obo Multimedia Institute ewo offense to butu heya. Na omo say me mo nka ye say ene de wo wiase ana wanya ensa no dwuma ana say wape bibi aye. Mo a mo wie secondary school ni mo a mo be wie secondary school afi nyina metena fie kwa oba ye be register na ya kirew disc jockey say opese oye DJ ana say opese oye newscaster you say news presenter ana say news anchor ana say opese oye sports presenter ana say technician sa de ma mo boso nyina ye kire ewo Obo Multimedia Institute ye nika wo mu ne say opani ana say Jumet Kuei omo ne radio stations ni TV stations na adwuma eno ti wo wie school ha wo adwuma nyam no enye den ana afi wo besenya baby ayo attachment kama pa Fre Obo Multimedia Institute was 0243 678065 0243678065 ana say 0245 486132 0245 486132 Obo Multimedia Institute. But you get a skill to create your own job. Mame Monka say UTA time 105.3 FM. Now this is your entertainment review. My cages. Last week now you look at beef ahodwa call so our industry no emu na me pese you look at soon so say last week you touch na kakra bi ye monwem kakra be 10 minutes bi na ye looking at the beef wa say so na saying our industry mu Stone Boy nya abotra wa fa so akoto ne nsa akobo Angel Town eni jese na me nko but say apology no aba ama wa accept the apology. Sako they have accepted the apology and I think Angel Town and Kasa so and then no Asia Stone Boy and the wife I think they visited the guy Asumdwe Aba but I say ya doso and the way boy man no did we atem e ma no kraje aboso a che me man. Let's look at that. Impactor enya e wo industry no who say eye and I say
yes ABC and ye the nyamia so say ye nuanom a omo yes beef no nyina nyamia dom ene omadwen pankro monten ye nte basabasa ye bia ewu mu eba into personal life and one thing you can say showbiz no we are doing business into at times no go say onua ba ko bi conform they also we ya na say omo generate more say man na dey ni bitima ya abo am wa sorry oh any say dey wona wugina me wona wo so ye nya bibi say ye beko ana say ye creative bibi a e de mentem ho ase ana say adwendwene bebri e be breatifo saa no ma we mu a ne enuanom nyame adom omu eye ede maintain omu position na say of the right of the revival enuanom bia omada you say ye anasem ne ye to nti anasem ye say anasem ye ma me de betima boa ye say anasem mpe mpe kasa ye say bisa
nsem kasa
so ahụ
anasem so asisi
anasem so yesi nti no ekowie say ye to anasem no na wo kasa me ye den anase den na meka ebema wakwa no atum nti te say ye nuanu bi wo a omu ofom I can't remember saying and saying mu so what ya asem
this akode na enye easy cry and people took it to a different angle.
I mean it to say I share to say any asem na ye ten and catch it now be beef bi a ye support and I say yen twe ya adwene kwa or the aba be drew ye nua bi a ono nso gina abro ni mu a ye hu ne say wo so enti sa no ma we nyina na me kan say omutu de ye boa e maintain ye nuanu bi a omu perform na say omu de be kenya omu that's all.
That's all. Anyway, refresh icon. My main will take on this. Sena, we see who no.
I read the last week, you know. That's no kakra. But I the man who stands. I think because it beef for a fight between rappers and artists or hatred for something or somebody. And see beef in music or in showbiz. Because you miss Bell DNA, Tracy, and I don't see beef. They are in the same category. That is movie industry. And a movie film, though the subject matter near a differ from personality, no, it's about say Papa be honey sense, but they are in the same industry. But for me, beef, so they have the business side.
Yeah,
I always support it.
I don't know how can I and no, I mean Tiasia.
Also, Tiasia. Because they make me uncle to crown, okay, sack ni manifest. Okay, sack ni manifest. When they started beef, you know, manifest. And I can't God MC and a sack so on Tiasia say, or no crown as a God MC. And a sack bar back. Sack own dinner that don't name manifest. Me for me, I know manifest. Now you say what they can release tracks in there. But that is a sack or can on now, or no dick kind of sack a back and tie with that counter track, you know. For business side, say, you know, YouTube now, but no be artists be on the YouTube channel. When your subscribers are now, say, we are new man, that's be another 2 months. If a mouska, COVID-19, yes, streaming like a combat think of all rough. But I say, of that streaming, it's giving them money.
Yeah.
And they say, Obi Bekawa, no one have quite before lyrical, yes, or quite attacking, no, blow by blow. Lyrically, no, I just say, one moon, some, they obviously, they are, you know, they are in some, not the other, what they are counting the Paquanas or they are replying back. But as it goes, Oshe, this strong minded medical, they wasn't smart enough and can be gaining rough. But Omomo, the answer now, I audio soon. Way by an answer say, Medemedi about 10 p.m. Now we see about 10 a.m. Now attention bomb also. Oshe Omo numbers, that is the business wise for them. Oshe Omo attention bomb also, need the real Musinia mileage, and numbers of Munia on the YouTube, name social media handles now. Or when the mammy be strong, my D more. Because sports for the mood gym. Now we don't gym. Me at the point. A blue Sunday crowd, my friends, no be uncle yet one with transfer strong, my very lazy. What you say? And see, if a chum now shed in the band and see, I don't quite know getting rough. Ain't no baron moody any day. No more smart, it almost a video to so immediately after the release
but almost attack you. Personally,
what?
I mean, I have when I said radio, so no, you can't just play any songs. Yes, I mean, very, very serious.
Very, very serious. Do as you are saying.
Profane words
and abusive words.
And maybe problem they say there are up and coming artists in the industry who are also looking at Sankovoy as role models. So what are you actually teaching them?
And
I say, yeah, baby, I say culture is a way of life of certain people. I understand. And you know, yeah, way of life, you know, Casabinum maybe or why, and then no. One of them mentioned, Mammy and Remuna Minty, Mammy, one of them may patch. Was that you were Casabinum or why, and yet normal where you're sitting them. Until when you put them in your songs as lyrics are. on say em say the impact no enye positive
sa enyum tukuo ne siniyifo nyina no eni gede say entertainment
yeah
na so etete nipa so
session
etete yen
exactly
emodu yen
that's right e develop yen
say ye ka che nu aka yen aye say sikanti ye beto nti
aye
ebe ma nipa no aye tese wabaso
yeah
so aye famous e wo broadcasting
yeah
na the agent chirima no so eye
that is what
kasafin kasaburo ana nipa so ade ya nye no nipa hia ne ntam ofa ne ntam chen de eye hwe no be gina du gina baabi na o hwe akoda bi anwum bi a oto anwum bi a oto ni asabi a osa na sa wote sami ana o wera ho ene obi so atie fo me wa ya de anwum na woto ye de ye akutie wo mo pa ma ni je ho
ebi de pra
eye aso ye nyina metumi aka se o my god na mu wo chem wo ha enchemu adu e wotwefo no onye kristoni a oye kramoni ana wo ye bosumusumu ni
yes
ye nyina ye pese ye wani da so se ye ko baabi tro kronkron so ami ate ase se de ko omunu wo fi se de efiri mu aba na no se ye kan sai adofo no
me da se mami strong man Bena on it when the shade or see moko bear and kranika se moko bear just say obie ni ho wo boa o male my cages e wo fia ha refresh icon enso e wa ha maame akoko entwiwa enso e wa ha dodo na afre na ama grace said yedi kan ye no obetimi afre yen 0541197778 0541197778 Oso betimi afre na wa kire wadwen se eyese aban no anase kuma udufo ne nkranfo yi akọ no se afre omo se Gallywood fo no eyese omo be ye foto bi a ebe bossa empanifo yi ho bra ana afin so beef a ekoso nwum a chese ensem ahodo a ye de ye nwum no so ebe boa ya setina ebe boa nkwala eba no ubetimi a kire wadwen e wodwumadi so high time 105.3 FM
and also phone lines
also betimi afra kire wadwen 0541 197778 0541 197778 Yensa kan casti 1 ewo efie ha casti 1 ewo efie ha enche bia ye ne no ebididi nkomo mamemfa enchi akese pa emma menua boss player na me ensa wo yare pa okay abra ye twen etiefo no menim se wo any take bia
back to the big issue.
uh-huh
I think someone making a point where say, I mean lyrically. But I say, okay, strong man in medical beef now. Strong man you word the so attack you be an air for them a coffee between them. But I say, one call we word by so be can say, yeah,
me ba mamemfa line. Hello? Hello? Yes, I'm Pacho Udi ba bia fefi. Me Pacho mane ohonya hakakra ma me wai. Then na che wadwen fa dwumadi no kakra.
strong man joy and in your
Yo, yeah, that's it. Now, was a strong man, the oil icon now, Casa.
Normally, the yana and all that abusive. Or more can't or more personal or more.
Oh, be abusive,
because
be very profane.
Frida rhymes in a friend, a sister.
Shatawale, when you are a butcher, she said,
Shatta, I think that was a
baby call, mommy baby. That's
a Chris Wado or Yapuno. For
Yapuno, no money a day.
Shatta beef some beyond your commercial. Or the rested you are. Shatta, they rested you on one. Or no, that's all cultural. Or could you do on your commercial way? But I have put them even say Chris Wado. Or move songs in your fetch your money. Anna, and Democrat said, Open Anna, Chris Wado, Yedima Shatta. Put your team and send me ahead. I had Bassa, do to cross a free Bible. But I think that I have man lyric and you can say go reward now and say
I can't say beef a warrior new mono a year pa. When in a yarding and I said when in a yarding. On there was business wise a poor a boosty industry no. I had a time 105.3 FM now entertainment review Medina was so a good way. Sama ya dream when you na se opese o kire wadwen say the maka no frɛ 0541197778 0541197778 na wonso kire wadwen na ansa na no ma mfa nto anim sɛ Obo Multimedia Institute say ɔyɛ krado sɛ oba na wawie school tifie no ɔbɛkyerɛ na de na ɔno nso abɛyɛ radio presenter ana sɛ newscaster ana technician say opese oye technician na uchinchim mfidie omo ya omo kan news no say ye ne asemesi ne tene ekira na uchinchim mfidie no nsa go for your from technicians aha obetimi abesua bi na onso wanya onsa no adwuma for MP4 0243678065 ana 0245486132 Susu fesika ni na etwa wanum na frɛ Obo Multimedia Institute na onsusua bibi fa bo obra Casti 1 ewo fia ha waje nedwa yamo akwa ba majumadi eso
Mejo so Mr. Henry
enuma boy Slay Queen wonyum no anambwa ma de mayensa entie kakra
Casti 1 Why I say these guys I wado in the boys I hard raw Melasa one on park why Slay Queen my man in it Girl the one we a talk about girl the gangster Girl the one everybody want to kill she a the man Slay Queen girl she a better than this We a bad girl, me a bad boy. It's the one baby we a Slay Queen, me a Slay King.
Casti, mama sama akwa babiem.
Yeah, Mr.
Me producer say me misa say aden artist and ma ba che say tem bia na ubehia mo na mo twa rasta. Eno eya kwankyera na ana eya ofre. Ana wako Benin.
Pacho me ko Benin.
Unko Benin.
Okay. Me ko Benin. And the things I was adwuma like your friend be branding so to be on the senior also be no. So
okay.
Go where you be trust Sakura. No we just make it to go. So they can promise me the video more you know. Go so bit me try 3 steps but we go so entering no plan on person ordinance akwa.
Anyway, now udin no saying botchem ye pa Casti 1 sana mhu no.
Yeah.
Udin ankasa no na udin ehye udin wo football name wo ho na we showbiz name.
Oh. Mr. Henry, the team father your friend also free someone.
Also free someone. Udin there. Na aden na ofa Casti.
That's our question, like Jumana, yeah. Obiara ne baabi a wonya ne inspiration free. So yeah, nti me no baabi a menya me inspiration say bia ma me mfa din we na din we bituma bon amako nanim. Nti na me fa casting because omo aye omo name me from school days ni nyina no. Sa din we no na nye me din like na me dey. Okay. Nti ebi nti na ma me fa say din we. Ba me din pa de do so face and bad. I said this name no and I'm my spirit chair me say me fan room na everything the mako until my fa cast one
o share nyom to ase a check akra how long ni
me room a check akra
we am fan say ya de yanika you me pen professionally me anyom to for aba busa na say me so nyina na me tonyom wa so dem professionally o ye wadwen se o ye enwom ankasa din feel say
e man say me romani dey me am any kan almost be my like says a professional we need
you bet makasa din kakra ma
2 years
in fact say professionally 2 years in
2018
okay and so far o record label be a o join in and say you are open for business if you are obi person or sign or na obi person or manage you. Do you have something like that and now you are looking for search?
Say no there me record label I am also Pioneer Music. Yeah, Pioneer Music no. Owned by Osoku.
Yes, on the line. Echian Osoku on the line, Echiacha.
Me chairman no aja. Yeah, what sir?
The advice is on the manage you for now. Until you are open for business.
Yes.
Say be a obi person or signing on the label and answer or manage you are. Okay. Until area of field pa den pa na we here ho ade. What's your field? Are you a rapper or you are a singer? And wo genre ben na wo ankasa.
Me genre no dey me should am more one position. Me should am more one position. Because singing meet my sing man meet me so rap man and I
meet me to no musa rap
meet me ni na meet me should need one field obet man say bia maybe am here general be say bia rap bi bo one me say singing but bet my say betum so because I been dwane
okay
to
rap e sing okay mame hwe pro ho kakra mame ma instrumental bi na yen hwade yen hwe se wo ankasa ampa na yenwom na yenko minim se wote de
yeah mete
yenko
cast one can stand boy in the building tie wose me kasa pa me roche pa ba me ni foku Mr. oye woni pa bera be twa photo me twa bi yo ba me budidi sa mama zimbi of factory toss what shock nana do be twa rasta o comfort ba so ba ware pastor so what me pure nyine dane actor we a doctor you for work harder o master and you teacher what you say let's go yeah pia yeah force it we know the sleep yeah force it me see yeah pia yeah force it chale we know the sleep yeah force it swag na chile mo so memra me pin code
yeah that's it yeah force it o force ampa before say you beto aso me pese yedi onwum ne ho nkomo kakra slay enwum ne title no slay o ye no way
anyway shake beat na man
shake bo ho okay unko na ya na feature obi e wo so
anwum dia men kwa na me
before say obeka onwum ne ho asem no me busa wasem we na wayi anu ama me uhu ni se beef a ye de ye enwum no ehu hia na se ehu ehia se nkofo nsem a mkeka se bia o ya nwum no so ko ya nwum na se wabo nwum na didi na them direct and indirect. I mean, what's your take on it? Uhu ni se boa industry no anase emwa
fa be bi na boa fa be bi no so emwa
chire mame
fa be bi aboa ne se this game no me wura mo nche dey but me hu ni se be bi aboa ne se eputu the other mine no say bia other opponent on his toes say bia on so betima dey amount ade aye mo hye so like say bia sani
a boa competition
a boa competition no into bia person here because obi am person bia we say no the beef be ba na bia ni pana be shata na afi also te ono ayi din nti no na boa mama fo sua de e ma omo ye ba ba bia mo ane say time na o de be ko studio akotwere say wo ye desin no wo betim de sa time no aye massive track say bia o track bia ho ya nti artist mo na shida my beef and this animal man because of my it me boa no but e bia sa track no ye bia cast no be 10 go ne say bia this ni o man e bia man betim atie onwom na o ni nyum de by sa this ni be to man ada brand ade nti ana ba bia na boa ne say boa man fo sua de ba bia mo ane say sa time na wo say no say wo this unia wanya a whole lot of bloggers no more bloggers anyuma why some on fanya tracker wow team say track we dey me the times no beef bebre no kra na hu ya but omo aye obi a omo de fat trend in there omo de say omo be follow but obo also on mine into only time omo recorded this track every be all track be also so
I say, oh, you bad boy, me a bad girl. We a slave queen, me a slave king. And say, we a singular. Me find say, who promote and yes, sir. Now, how are you coping with it? COVID-19 by any moons and semi munya show ni biko.
They say there, I had them.
And saying now, how do you sell your songs and quite better now offer to promote onyum.
So I'm saying promote no. Made the mama bloggers
now more blogging on
yes with me street like Zenda sharing in Sani man.
On I say mo call abontin.
It me rush one kasa. Me atwe am.
Oh okay.
So because
now nipa ne fanse nipa ne nam ne ba bi no na wa sere no na watwe nwom na ma no.
So on say dey we no. Quiet ahobrase to the bia like here na here upcoming so unni ahobrase ho no wo ma untimi ndru ba bia empo wi asanga bia wo ye bia no so o mra ho ase na hu ha obesi ma approach nipa ida so e panyini o ya akra wo aye so twema no wati so unti to the bia etimi rush nipa ngasa na atwe ho bo mo aye o mo online social media sem bi o metimi afa different strategy no mo so enyo se bia on beko online no makotwi
yo me da see emre ne so se beto aba mo anwom to fo no na mo dem ho atwitwi party fo no na mo ye yanwom ma MP fo ne ade na as a mo have you endorsed the political party?
Oh no
Sir, no. Are you sure?
Me politics graduate game I'm in but I'm going to run the country but I mean need political party.
Okay. Now Fatu ja hemfana o social media handles na hemfana ko fo betimi a follow na o ma hu works oh yeah if they want to download.
Social media handles na dey if say my fans no more abontin me and inform me and then you melt time FM. So when you bought Casti One me wo Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so I say my account back crying, but I say myself no back the name I'm deny you say feel some when you about a bit many and I'm a blogging no I be am here when you bought Casti One Slay site me big go bit me dey ubenya sound ni me be no dey wait my
okay icons I'm say person over
Panye music.
Casti One. Why I say these guys